Hi guys, it is February, which means another fabric haul. Yay! So I have less fabric this month because last month I had 8 different fabrics and I only actually got to 4 or 5. So that was very ambitious of me, but this time I'm gonna just do what I can, all right? So I'm so excited to get started. I'm not even gonna wait, I'm just gonna get right into it. So the first fabric I have is a Minerva fabric, and you guys know I love Minerva fabrics. They are so nice. And I actually picked this one because of the stripes. If you've seen my past post on all the outfits that I have made, you'll see that there's a lot of stripes. I love working with stripes because I feel like there's a lot you can do with them. And so this is it. It's kind of like, when I first saw it, I actually thought it was more of like white and black, but when I got it, it's more of like a peach and black, which is kind of different, but I like it. And I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna make yet, but I definitely want to make a dress with it. It has a slight stretch, just like that. You can see it, but I think I can do something pretty nice with it. I don't know, maybe a dress or a skirt, but this is probably one of 2 stretch fabrics that I'm doing this month. I actually am starting to transition out of the winter soft cozy fabrics, and I'm gonna start to transition to more spring outfits in March, not this month. I still have some stretch fabrics that are more winter friendly. So yeah, this is gonna be one of those. So I'm thinking I definitely want to do a dress with long sleeves, maybe something that's low fitted. I love fitted dresses with stripes because you can work the stripes and make you have that nice figure that you have, and I love it. So yeah, that's this one. I wish you guys could feel it too, like it's so soft. I'm so weird. All right, on to the next one. So I actually have another Minerva fabric. I'm so excited. All right, you guys, let me breathe real quick. I sometimes have to breathe when I get certain fabrics because when I think about what I'm going to make, my heart starts palpitating. Oh gosh. Okay, so I actually wanted to, let me back up. I love dresses. I say this every single time. So I am going to make a dress with this, just so you know. And I'm probably gonna do an accessory too. So like maybe a clutch or like a bag or some form of purse. But because I have enough fabric. Actually, let me see how much I have. 3.6 meters, so about 4 yards of fabric. And so I definitely want to make a dress. I want to do a nice fancy dress. So this is not going to be something that I can wear out to get groceries, or maybe I could get groceries in this, but I do want to do something a little bit more fancy and classy. I mean, look at the shine, like, oh. Okay, and you have to see it too. It's like diamonds on it, or diamond shapes, not real diamonds. I wish it was real diamonds, but I don't know if you can see it, but it is very pretty. And then if you look a little closer, it's like, it has like this mirage, I don't know if the word's mirage or illusion. You guys know those like games that you play when it's like the optical illusion? That's what that is. So when you like look at it at one side and then you look at it at another side, it has this kind of like weird, like you could see something different. Oh, that's actually really cool. That's lovely. So yeah, I'm gonna make something like I want to do like I'm thinking, okay, so you guys ever seen Black Panther? So the dress that the co-star wore, and her name is blanking on me right now, which is like kind of sad because I'm like, oh my gosh, blah blah blah, but her dress, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I think I want to, that inspired me. I think I want to do something like that, and so that's what I'm looking to do. But yeah, I love this. It's like a metallic. There's absolutely no stretch to this, so I'm forced to actually put darts, and I hate doing darts. And when I say darts, they're the thing that gives you the shape in the bodice or the basically the whole dress. That's what that does. So yeah, I love it. Oh my gosh! And look at the little. I wanna like use this. It's not like, I don't think it's supposed to be part of the dress, but I want to use it. Maybe I can do it with the accessory that I'm gonna make with it. I think that would work. What do you guys think? I think so. All right, so I don't have a lot, so I'm almost honestly done. But I have some more G Street fabrics that I got. I looked through my closet again and I found out that I do not have a lot of blue. So last month I realized I didn't have a lot of green, so this month I'm going to focus a lot more on the blues. And so I got this fabric, and it is a stretch knit, and I wanted to get my winter outfits out the way in February. So I have this one. Is it really a haul if you've had it for a minute and you didn't actually haul it in that month? Well, it's gonna be part of my haul anyway, but definitely I might make something like more of like a sweater for this one. No dress for this one, unless I do have a lot, so I could do multiple things. But as far as like just for this month, I want to stick to one outfit for this fabric, and I might just make it a sweater. And I'm not exactly sure what sweater or style, so this month I have not even thought about styles that I want to do, as far as like if I should do a you know, like what type of dress or pattern I'm using. I haven't really like thought of that for this month. So yeah, yep, I like it. What do you guys think? It's just stripes, and again, like, I love stripes. I just like, actually, I don't just like stripes, I like fabric that has different designs on it, that like geometry figures. So like with this one has like diamonds, and it kind of gives off, you know, that optical illusion effect. I love fabrics like that. I love fabrics that is unique. Stripes, I love working with stripes because you could just play around with it, and you can put the stripes one way and another way. Forget that grain line. I know I break a lot of rules, but sometimes you have to if you want the style that you want, you know. Don't listen to me, you should follow the grain line. But as far as me, I know I like to break the rules a lot to get the look that I want. So yeah, and this is that. All right, last but not least, I have and I also got this from G Street. If you go to G Street and you want to go with me, let me know. I will actually go with you. And I'm in the DMV area. I go to G Street probably like once a month, maybe once every other month, depending on what my haul looks like from there. But I go there pretty often, especially for that $2.99 a yard section. It is totally worth it. All right, so yeah. And so this is, and again, I love prints. I love any fabric with prints, so it caught my eye. One, the color caught my eye. I absolutely love the color of this fabric. I don't have a lot of this color in my closet. Do I even have this color in my closet? I don't even think I have this color in my closet. But I love it for the print. It's kind of like plaid, but not really. But yeah, I still like it. It's pretty. But I don't even know what I'm gonna make with it, just to be honest with you. I have no clue. But I love it, and maybe I'll do, this just came to me, maybe I'll do like a two-piece something. I have so much, and I'm gonna just be left over with a lot of fabric, so I don't want to do something like a shirt or a sweater. I want to do something different, so maybe I'll do like a two-piece with this. And when I say a two-piece, like maybe like a sweatpants or some form of a pants and like a top, maybe like a kind of jacket style top with some buttons. I like buttons, so that would be a nice effect. And there's a piece of thread that's ruining my fabric. But yeah, I hope you guys love it. So even though I didn't like pick exactly the patterns and outfits I wanted to work with, I actually am thinking about doing more freestyling. I also am thinking about using less patterns, but I did pick two patterns that I wanted to do for a minute that I haven't actually gotten to do, but I'm like, after this month, I'm probably never gonna look at it again, at least for a while. So I thought that it would force me to do it. So these are the patterns. So this is an Old McCall's pattern. It is M7998. I'm actually thinking of doing a sew along for this one, so if you're interested, you can follow me on my YouTube channel. But I absolutely love this. I love the wrap. I love wrap dresses. I love the sleeves, and I believe McCall's actually came out with a new pattern that looks very similar to this, but it's a top. But I definitely am thinking about hacking this as well. I might just do the top part and then like do something different at the bottom. But I love this pattern, and I've seen so many people make it, and I'm just like, I want to make this too. So I'm gonna make it before it gets too warm, because I feel like this is a perfect like transitional outfit. You know, like you can wear it like right when the weather starts getting a little warmer. So that's why I picked this one. The other one I picked was this. I have eyed this pattern for a long time, and I've had it in my stash for a long time, but I have not actually used it. So this is Vogue 1707. And it is a two-piece, and so remember when I said I was thinking of doing a two-piece? Maybe I might look into doing one like this. I might use this pattern for it. I like the fact that it has buttons, so I will probably do that. Maybe I'll add maybe more than 4 buttons. I think 4 buttons is kind of like a little bit, and because I love buttons, I'd probably add like an extra couple to just make it stand out a little bit more. But yeah, and I also like the long jacket vest thing, but I don't know, maybe I'll do short, because I usually do a lot of long, and then I'm like, well, I can't really wear this everywhere. I feel like the short one I can wear more often, so I might do the short one with the short pants. Yeah, or maybe I'll do the short one with the longer pants. I don't know. So I may not even do both. I might just do the jacket with it and do something else for the bottom, because I'm thinking I want more of a fitted at the bottom, like at the bottom pants, not more loose. I don't really like wide leg pants so much. I have worn them, but they're not really my favorite or my style. But yeah. All right, well, that's all I have for you guys. This is my February fabric haul. I will be doing this every month because I feel like I can't stop now. But stay tuned, the outfits will start rolling out soon. All right, see you guys. Have a nice day. Like, I seriously feel like I forget how to introduce myself every time I do these videos. Hi guys. It's February, which means I have to do another fabric haul. I totally forgot about that. Let me stop. All right. This will be quick. Yeah, I actually do. There's a lot of fabric. I agree. Thank you for helping me set up. You do Thursdays every Thursday.